Welcome back to the KOAM Morning News on Fox 14. Joining us in the studios, Crystal Albright and Ann Wolf to tell us about a very unique dinner mystery that's coming up. So welcome to the show, ladies.
Thank you for having us.
Nice and early morning, but it's going to be a pretty nice day, so that's good. So what exactly have you got coming up here?
So I'll let her talk about the event a little bit, and then I'll talk about Loving Grace.
That sounds great.
Well, we've got a murder mystery coming up, actually. It's going to be a 1920s, roaring 20s gangster murder mystery party.
Okay, I like that.
It's this March 11th at 6 a.m. or 6
6
p.m.
p.m.
Jeez.
It's almost 6
It's
a.m.
almost
now.
6 a.m. right now, yeah.
So it'll start at 6, and we'll have cocktail hour. We'll do a silent auction during that time. We'll also do a gift grab, and then we'll start at 7, and that's when the show will start. And we'll have dinner served by trackside, so a very good dinner.
Yeah, it sounds absolutely incredible. So we're hosting the dinner. What exactly is the dinner for?
With the last name Albright.
So the dinner is for Loving Grace. It's our fundraiser that we're doing. Loving Grace is a transitional housing for young women 18 to 24, getting out of foster care or just in a bad situation, homeless. And we're so much more than just housing. We're a program as well. We teach life skills. We help them get their driver's license, further their education if that's something that they are looking for. And we have 2 houses. One house is for young ladies, and then the second house is for young ladies and their babies. Again, we teach them life skills, budgeting, anything that they need to learn with the young ladies with the babies. We also help with coaching, positive parenting.
Yeah, there's a lot that's got to go on, and there's a lot to pick up if you're going to be on your own, especially if you do have a child. So there's a lot of information you guys have to pass. So how important is a fundraiser like this for Loving Grace?
So it's very important that, with it being a nonprofit, it's just one of the ways that we can help raise money. Of course, we take donations and any type of volunteers that we can, but it's just another way for us to raise money for our programs.
And about how many young ladies do you think you help through the year?
Through the year, so each house, one house can hold up to 8 ladies, and then the other one can do 7 ladies and then their babies. So it's a small facility, but we do get in a lot of quality relationships with those ladies. So we probably get it's a 2-year program, so probably about maybe 50.
Okay, yeah. And that's still a significant number of folks that are going to be getting some much needed assistance. So real quick recap on the event that's coming up. What time? What do people need to know?
Well, what you need to know is it's on March 11th. It starts at 6 p.m. Tickets are $75 each. We're going to, they're going to provide a dinner, and the murder mystery starts at 7 o'clock.
All right. And then real quick, if people want to learn more about Loving Grace.
They can go to lovinggrace.org, and that's 1 G, not 2 G's, and check out our website.
Perfect. And you had something else you wanted to add?
I did. It's at Adeline Acres in Carl Junction.
That's good to know where you're going for this. So,
yes.
All right. Ladies, thank you so much for joining us. And, of course, we'll have all this information on our website at koamnewsnow.com as well. And we'll be back with more right after this.